In a highly anticipated move, the Open Network is gearing up for its launch in 2024, subject to a set of stringent conditions. These conditions, outlined by the project organizers, reflect a comprehensive approach to ensure the network's success in the ever-evolving digital landscape. The first condition mandates the completion of all necessary groundwork in technology, product development, business strategies, and legal frameworks. Drawing inspiration from the consistent strategies of the Pi network, the Open Network aims to create a solid foundation that aligns with industry best practices. This includes the implementation of cutting-edge technologies, robust product features, well-defined business models, and adherence to legal norms. The second condition focuses on achieving specific goals related to network Know Your Customer (KYC) processes, migration strategies, and utility creation. KYC protocols are critical for ensuring a secure and compliant user base, while migration plans aim to facilitate a smooth transition for existing users. Additionally, utility creation is pivotal in establishing the practical value of the Open Network, enhancing its appeal to users and potential investors. The third condition emphasizes the necessity of an absence of unfavorable external factors that could impede the success of the Open Network. The organizers recognize the importance of a supportive ecosystem, free from regulatory obstacles or unforeseen challenges. This condition underscores the network's commitment to navigating a conducive external environment, essential for sustained growth and user trust. Hey Crypto World Educate family, if you are coming across this channel for the first time, kindly hit the subscribe and the like buttons, and toggle on the notification bell so as to keep updated with everything Pi-related. As the Open Network progresses towards meeting these conditions, the anticipation among the community continues to build. The success of this venture could mark a significant milestone in the evolution of decentralized networks, providing users with a platform that combines innovation, security, and adaptability. While challenges remain, the Open Network remains optimistic, poised to redefine the landscape of decentralized technologies in 2024. Stay tuned for further updates as the project inches closer to fulfilling these pivotal conditions and unlocking its full potential. If you're a Pi network coin holder eyeing a seamless way to convert your crypto to fiat, Huobi P2P has your back. The peer-to-peer platform ensures swift and secure exchanges with zero fees. In this article, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of making your PiCoin transactions on Huobi a breeze. PiCoin holders must prioritize completing their KYC and migrating coins to the main net before initiating any sale. KYC verification is crucial, complying with regulatory standards, while transferring PiCoins to the mainnet safeguards against potential losses. Failure to complete these prerequisites may lead to delays or even loss of funds. If you want to ensure a smooth PiCoin sale on Huobi, you need to follow the following steps. Verify that your KYC process is complete and PiCoins are on the mainnet before selling. Check your account for the payment. If received, click on I have received payment. If not, request the transfer slip from the buyer. Tick and confirm receipt of funds and release PiCoins to the buyer. Enter your fund password again. After completion, choose Back Home or Review Order Details. Your fiat account will reflect the deducted crypto. Huobi P2P's user-friendly platform ensures a secure and efficient PiCoin exchange, all with zero fees. By adhering to the step-by-step guide, PiCoin holders can swiftly and confidently complete transactions, receiving the cash they need. For a reliable and trustworthy platform, Huobi P2P stands out as a top choice. Huobi P2P not only provides a secure transaction environment but also emphasizes user accountability. The I have received payment confirmation step ensures that sellers only release PiCoins when funds are successfully received. This additional layer of verification adds an extra level of security, protecting PiCoin holders from potential fraudulent activities. Furthermore, the platform's insistence on re-entering the fund password adds an additional security measure, safeguarding users against unauthorized access. Huobi P2P's commitment to a stringent security protocol ensures that PiCoin holders can transact with confidence, knowing their assets are protected throughout the process. It's crucial for users to be diligent and follow each step outlined by Huobi P2P to guarantee a smooth experience. Completing the sale transaction promptly and accurately, and promptly confirming receipt of funds, contributes to a hassle-free process. In a market flooded with options, Huobi P2P distinguishes itself as a reliable and user-centric platform. PiCoin holders looking to convert their assets to fiat currency can leverage this platform's zero-fee structure, user-friendly interface, and commitment to security. Huobi P2P serves as a testament to the evolving landscape of cryptocurrency exchanges, providing a seamless bridge between the digital and traditional financial realms. For Picoin holders seeking a trustworthy and efficient platform, Huobi P2P emerges as a standout choice, offering a combination of security, simplicity, and cost-effectiveness in the process of exchanging cryptocurrency for fiat currency. In another interesting turn of events, Epimall, the marketplace utility of the Pi network ecosystem, is gearing up to conduct a month-long test run, setting the gross cart value (GCV) at a precise $314.159. The test, scheduled to run from February 12 to March 12, 2024, aims to evaluate and fine-tune the marketplace dynamics within the Pi network ecosystem. Epimall expresses gratitude for the overwhelming support received from 30 countries participating in this ambitious endeavor. The listed countries, including the Philippines, Nepal, Pakistan, Indonesia, Nigeria, and others, will be integral in providing valuable insights into the functionality, user experience, and market response to the GCV test run. While the initial list encompasses 30 countries, Epimall extends an invitation to vendors from non-listed countries. Vendors interested in selling products priced in GCV are encouraged to reach out via the official Epimall Telegram group, where they can explore the opportunity to join the test run and contribute to the marketplace's growth. As Epimall pioneers this innovative test run, the global community eagerly anticipates the insights and developments that will unfold during this unique marketplace experiment. Stay tuned for updates as Epimall continues to shape the future of decentralized commerce within the Pi network ecosystem. Epimall's decision to conduct a test run with a GCV of $314.159 reflects its commitment to fostering a dynamic and inclusive marketplace within the Pi network ecosystem. This initiative is poised to provide invaluable data on user behavior, vendor participation, and overall market dynamics, essential for refining and enhancing the Epimall experience. The open invitation for vendors from countries not initially listed underscores Epimall's dedication to inclusivity. By encouraging vendors from non-listed countries to join the test run, Epimall seeks to create a diverse and global marketplace that transcends geographical boundaries. As Epimall embarks on this significant test run, its role as a marketplace utility within the Pi network ecosystem takes center stage. The outcomes of this initiative are poised to shape the future of decentralized commerce, influencing not only Epimall's trajectory but also contributing valuable insights to the broader Pi network community. The month-long GCV test run marks just the beginning of Epimall's journey, with plans for continued evolution and expansion. The insights gained from this initiative will inform future developments, ensuring that Epimall remains at the forefront of innovation within the Pi network ecosystem. As the Epimall community eagerly awaits the commencement of the test run, the global collaboration and inclusive spirit surrounding this initiative signal a promising era for decentralized commerce. Stay connected with Epimall's Telegram group and other official channels for real-time updates and insights throughout this groundbreaking test run. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey. If you find value, don't forget to hit that like button and to subscribe for more exciting content. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, stay inspired and keep exploring.